Christopher Wood.
Hello, my name is Christopher Wood. Thank you all so much, brothers and sisters, for attending. I really want to thank the county board for continuing to stand up for everybody. It takes a lot of sacrifice of your reputation and possibly livelihood in your day-to-day to put in energy and effort to stand up for what's right, so God bless you. I'm going to go through and talk a little bit about things that people may not know. I think a lot of people are well aware that COVID is a scam. Well, you know, the whole practice of it. Everyone understands there's disease, but the fear that they've pushed is to such a great extent to try to control and manipulate us. So I'm going to talk about who's actually behind it, because not too many people want to do that. You know, we always talk about Republicans, Democrats, but they're both wings of the same bird, unfortunately. So the COVID agenda, who was in charge of the CDC that was controlling and telling our government to shut down small businesses and what they recommend for the mandates of the vaccines and Pfizer and all this? Ooh. So at the time when COVID was being enacted, I'm going to read off the staff of who was in charge of this CDC. The director of the CDC was Rochelle Walensky, dual citizenship with Israel. She's a Jew. Deputy director of the CDC, Ann Shawalchik, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. CDC chief of staff, Sherry Berger, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. CDC chief medical officer, Mitchell Wolf, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. CDC director of the Washington office.
I'm going to
This is pertinent to the topic. We're talking about COVID, right?
Freedom of speech.
Yeah, this is pertinent to COVID. So, I love you, Jennifer.
Doesn't make it bad. Let them speak.
Yeah, please. So, director of the CDC of the Washington office, Jeff Resnick, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. COVID czar, Jeff Zaints, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. COVID senior advisor, Andy Slavitt, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. Assistant of Health Secretary for Human Services for our country, the Assistant of Health Secretary, Rachel Levine, transgender, dual citizenship with Israel.
Yes.
Jew.
I'm going to ask that you hold off, Christopher.
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Mr.
Pfizer.
Wood, the chair has ruled that your comments are out of order. She's asked you to stop.
How is it out of order?
The chair
How is it
has.
out of order? He said Jew. There's nothing wrong with Jew. It's not derogatory. Yeah,
Exactly.
if you say Catholic or Protestant.
Okay,
how is
keep
that
on going.
out of order?
Head of Pfizer vaccines,
Again, the
Albert
chair
Bourla,
is-
dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. Pfizer chief scientist, Michael Dostin,
We
dual
need
citizenship
decorum
with
here.
Israel, Jew. Moderna chief scientist, Tal Zaks, dual citizenship with Israel,
Christopher,
Jew. BlackRock,
please.
everyone know BlackRock? BlackRock CEO, Larry Fink, dual
Please,
citizenship with Israel, Jew.
Christopher.
I said we're willing to sacrifice our ego, our reputation,
You have
and
19
our lives.
seconds.
Yes, ma'am, and I love you, and I appreciate your patience. BlackRock president, Rob Capitale, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. The CDC chief medical officer of Johnson & Johnson, Joanne Waldstreicher, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. Chief medical officer
You are
of
done.
Merck, Michael Rosenwald, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. Head advisor of the World Economic Forum, Yuval Harari, dual citizenship with Israel, Jew. And that's only talking about COVID. That's not talking about who's in charge of our
Christopher, you
government.
need to
That's not
stop.
talking about who's in control of the media or the banks. I can go on. God bless y'all. Thank you for your patience.